Guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. As you guys see by the title, we have a tinted moisturizer from Nars that we are going to be trying out today. And I went to Sephora to see what foundation that I could review for you guys, and this is what is new on the market right now, so we're just going to try it out. So this is a Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, and this is SPF 30. And the shade that I picked up is medium deep 3, which is Havana. So let's just see what it looks like here. So this is what it looks like here. I'm not sure for the shade, but we're just gonna try it out and see if it works. So the foundation is $45, and I will say foundation throughout the video because I'm so used to saying foundation, but we know it's a moisturizer. There are 15 shades on the website. Havana is deep skin with peach undertone. And the one that the website recommend me to get is Santiago, and that one was like really light for me, so it's best to go to the store and get your shade match. It's way much better. You could actually see the undertones better at the store than online, and if you guys been following me for a while, you guys know that I always tell you guys to go to the store and pick it up. If you could, figure it out by yourself, that's fine, but for me, when it comes to new foundation, I always go to the store. So this is a lightweight tinted moisturizer that hydrates and smooths skin while brightening with vitamin C and protecting with SPF 30. So the coverage is light, finish is radiant, formulation is cream. Let's just try this out and see the shade. Okay, so this is the shade here. So this supposed to work. It's a very light tinted moisturizer. And remember I told you guys before that we are going to be seeing a lot of tinted moisturizers because, girl, everybody's wearing masks, and people, I don't even think like people wear like heavy makeup as before, but actually I love this. Hopefully that we get some good coverage with this, but it blends in really nice. You can't really tell if I have anything there. So if I actually want to wear this during the summertime, or maybe now springtime, I definitely will wear this. So let's just prep the skin. I'm gonna go in, you guys gonna kill me, but I'm gonna go in with this. This is from ColourPop. Alright, so I'm gonna use this brush here. I don't even know, I think this is from Amazon, but I'm gonna just use a little bit here and just gonna do one side first so we could see. So like I said, we really won't get a lot of coverage, but hopefully we get something. And this is really smooth on the skin. It's like really smooth. Feels really nice actually. I don't smell anything. And you know what I really don't like about companies that does this? Like if something works, keep it. Just keep the shade. If you want to do another tinted moisturizer or a matte foundation, just keep the same undertone. If people like it, just keep it. Stop changing stuff. And that's one thing I hate about these companies. They always like to change stuff and make it more harder for us. And now that they are coming out with tinted moisturizers and they're limiting the shades for darker skin tone, and I really don't like that. I haven't seen anyone review this. Yeah, I haven't seen anyone review this on it. Maybe the people I'm following don't care for Nars. I don't know. Okay, I like the brush, so I'm gonna go all over with the brush. As you guys could see, this side, you honestly don't get a lot of coverage at all. And it looks like it's I think it's oxidizing, I don't know, we'll see. And okay, so let's just go in with the other side. Like this is really cool. Like you could feel like a cool sensation when you put it on the skin. It just feels really nice and it's so soft. And this shade looks okay. It feels really, really soft, very hydrated. I like this, but I don't know for the shade. It looks okay. I think the shade looks okay. What you guys think? Let me know. So I definitely not getting the coverage that I want. It's a tinted moisturizer, that is it. If you have like really good skin, you don't have to worry about that, but I actually feel like I don't have anything on my face. So when I use my powder, everything, probably it will look better, but there's no coverage. Yeah, my face don't look, I don't know, what do you guys think? I don't see like my face look, I feel like my face just look moisturized, like a sunscreen on. That's how I feel like my skin feel. I feel I have a tinted moisturizer on my face. I feel like I have a sunscreen. That's how it feels. It really feels like a sunscreen. That's just the vibes I'm getting from this. So we're just gonna go in with concealer here. This is from BELLE. Put a little bit here. Okay, so I'm going to be using this here. So to bronze the face, I'm just going to go in a little bit. I'm going to be using this here. This is from Prime Beauty. So the powder that I'm going to be using for this step, and I really do like this powder because it don't feel heavy on the skin or anything, but it will give me a little bit more coverage. And this is from Fenty. You know, just to brighten under the eyes a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to go in with this brush here, and I'm just going to set under the eyes, you know, just to give it a little brightening. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite blush. This is from Juvia's Place. I'm gonna go in with my favorite. This is the one that I really do like to wear. I'm gonna be using this setting spray. This is a new setting spray I picked up from ColourPop because I really do like the primer, so I want to see what the mist feels on my face. So this is around like $12 from Ulta. So, and I had a coupon too, so you know. Oh, oh, it smells good. Oh, this is smell. Ooh, she smells good, girl. So to set everything, I'm just gonna go in with my sponge here and set everything. So this is what everything looks like. For the fact that it feels very, very hydrated on the skin, put it on, you could feel that coolness, but there's no coverage. It feels more like a sunscreen. So if you want a sunscreen that gives you a little color, this is for you. You're not gonna get a lot of coverage. It's just not something that I would spend $45 on. I'm just being real with you guys, and this is just my personal opinion. If you like the product, that's up to you. First of all, the shade is just trash. There's only 15 shades and the undertones are very off as well. Like, it's really good for the sun because this is SPF 30. I don't see the reason why I want to spend $45 for sunscreen. I mean, you could go to Target, Walmart, Walgreens and get a cheaper alternative, because this is what it is. It's a sunscreen, okay? There's a lot of tinted moisturizer from the drugstore that is way much cheaper than this, and also I'm sure you can find something that has the same SPF in it. Let me just see. I did get a little coverage because I put a lot of powder on, and you guys see the step like I showed you guys in the beginning. There's not a lot of coverage. Yes, it says a light coverage. it is a very light coverage, so you're really not gonna get anything. But just for the sake of this video, I did my entire face just to see how it looks like, how it performs with other products. Okay, you're really getting sunscreen in a bottle for $45 plus tax. That's like almost $50. It's up to you if you want to get this, but I just think it's just not something that I would reach for. It's not worth the money at all. Like, trying it on, it feels really good. It gives a nice hydration. It feels really good, and it's really good for dry skin as well. It's like really nice. But beside that, it's not something that I would recommend for you guys, and I'm being so honest. But if you want to get it, that's up to you. But for me, it's a no. Okay, so let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this foundation. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Also, let me know what you guys think about the shade as well. Thank you guys so much. See you in my next video. Bye guys.